this. I remember last night was just full of water, as we see in the far back. But now it's just, yeah, I don't know. Just what? Morning. It's just very cold. I drove to the Harrington Point, I think it's called, and on the way I found a little kind of shop, like just a cupboard really. Yeah, that's where we're going and see what they have. So today it was very windy outside and I essentially just sat here and worked on the video. But now it's 3:30 and I'm really getting hungry, so it's time for cauliflower. I'm sick of cauliflower. So the plan for the day is to just cook it, but have it not as squishy, but kind of al dente, and then just season it a little bit after that. And then I don't want to see cauliflower. This time I'm also not cutting it as small, so maybe that's a bit better. I think this is enough. We do have a little bit of a nice sunset, but only a little bit, because it's still very windy. Rest of the day, or as a summary maybe, today was also very mellow. We just edited a lot of videos and got some work done and just stayed here essentially because the weather was pretty bad. But tomorrow is a big day. We want to get some new gas, we want to get some flint, we want to do some washing and maybe even shower. Let's hope that the weather is much better, because I'm apparently out of battery power from my solar panels. So let's hope that fixes itself, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.